Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Google Workspace Drive files after permissions changes. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Log in to your Google Workspace account if you haven't already. Locate the Shared with Me section in the left-hand menu. Click on this section to see files shared with you. Identify the file or folder you wish to restore permissions for. Right-click on that file or folder. Select Manage Access from the drop-down menu. In the Access settings, review the current permissions. If necessary, click the Change button next to the specific user's name or group. Choose the new permission level you want to assign. After adjusting permissions, click Done to save your changes. If you need to restore a deleted file, go to the Trash in the left-hand menu. Find the deleted file you wish to restore. Right-click on the file and select Restore to return it to your drive. Make sure to check that the restored file has the desired permissions. If the file is still not accessible, consider checking your activity dashboard. To access it, click on the My Drive section and then select View Details from the top right corner. Review the activity log for any changes made to permissions. If all else fails, consult your organization's admin for assistance. Remember that with the right steps, restoring file access in Google Workspace is straightforward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.